Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade video. In this video, we will go over revising the database conversion from your previous software into your eIMMIGRATION account. You should have received an email with a link and credentials to log in. You should also see a link to our conversion chart. We will reference the conversion chart on this video. We will proceed to log in. We are now in the home page of the Caseworker portal. The first thing to revise is info that imported into the client profile. Let us click on Clients. Once on this page, if we leave all areas blank and click Find, we will see all clients that we transferred over. Let us select one. We are now inside the client profile. You should see info on the general info section, such as names, as well as other info. Besides the general info, we have sections to the right where info has transferred over. If the conversion chart has profiles checked, the info will be in the General Info page, Other Names, and Current Addresses section. Proceed to review the info transferred properly. Please note, if something is unchecked in the conversion chart, the issue is with the info supplied by your previous software. We have tools in place to extract all or most info supplied by other softwares, and based on constant testing, can confirm that the info does or does not transfer to our software. It is then reflected on this chart. The next section is Comments and Notes. If checked on the conversion chart, that is located in the Logs section. You will see all your previous logs here. Please note that you may have had logs specific to the case profile. Those will be located in the cases, which we'll see later in this video. The next section is Custom Fields you may have had in your previous software. This will be in the Custom Fields section of the client's profile. We have now covered info that imported pertaining to the individual client. We will now focus on info pertaining to business client profiles. If on the home page, we will go back to the Clients section to search. We will then switch it from individual to business. We will then click on Find. We will see all the business client profiles that transferred over. We will proceed to enter a business client profile. Once inside, you will see the profile has info. All this was brought over from your previous software. Going back to the chart, we will look at the next section, which is Business Client Profile Info. This will be located here in the General Info section, as well as the address sections on the right. Lastly, the next section of the business profile is Employees. This will be in the Members tab. You will see the employees linked with the role Employee. The next section covers individual client profiles as well as business client profiles. The next section is Appointments. Those can be located in the Reminder section. A drop-down will show Appointments. Additionally, the calendar is also located on the home page. Here you will see all your calendar appointments. Remember, please reference the conversion chart and see if that is checked for the software you previously came from. We have now seen client profile info for both individuals and businesses. The next part of the conversion chart focuses on the cases imported to your new account. From the home page, we will visit the Cases tab. From here, we will leave everything blank and click on Find. You will see all your cases. We will open a case by clicking the Open button. You are now inside the case profile. The next section of the conversion chart is General Info. That would be here in the General Info section. The next section is Comments and Notes. Those will be here in the Case Logs section. The next section is Reminders. Those will be located here in the Reminder section. You will now go through these sections and verify the data conversion. If everything looks good, you can notify our team to proceed and import onto your live site. If something appears wrong, we recommend gathering 3 examples of the error so that our team can go and verify the file submitted from your previous vendor and verify if the conversion worked properly. As mentioned before, what converts to your account is dependent on the info attained from your previous software. If you have further questions, you may contact our team. Thank you for watching.